Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hawariyah. Today, I want to demonstrate about how to make chocolate pudding. For ingredients, I need 1 liter of milk full cream, 1 sachet of Nutri-Gel, sugar, and 4 sachet of chocolate string. For the tools, I need a pan, a spoon, and a pudding mold. First, prepare the pan and add 1 liter of milk full cream, sugar, 1 sachet of Nutri-Gel, 4 sachet of chocolate string. Second, stir until blend. Then cook using medium heat until boiling. After that, turn it off and pour the pudding into the pudding mold. Next, wait until the hot steam is reduced, then chill the pudding in the refrigerator. Finally, chocolate pudding is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.